So I have a theory why Bruce Banner didn't Hulk out in Infinity War. So a lot of people assume it was because he was beaten by Thanos so hard and he was afraid to fight him again. But I don't think that was the case at all. I think it's because he's back on Earth. So let me explain. In Age of Ultron, Hulk was manipulated by Scarlet Witch to fight the Avengers, which led them to having a huge fight in Johannesburg. The fight caused so many people to be hurt, or worse, even killed. This is the reason why he exiled himself in the end of the movie. I don't think it was a coincidence that as soon as he arrived on Earth, he couldn't Hulk out. Also, I believe in Thor Ragnarok, he stated that he doesn't want to return to Earth because he believes that the people of Earth actually hate him. And also, I believe that if he reverts back to Bruce Banner, he probably thinks that Bruce Banner would want to return to Earth. If you think about it, every moment when Bruce Banner wanted to Hulk out, he's always on Earth and surrounded by people, so he doesn't want to hurt people. But that's just my theory. Well, that's it for today. Subscribe for more theories. Like the video if you want to see more theories. And see you next time.